Think over-the-counter drugs are always safe? Think again. Some combos can actually damage your organs. Here are 3 OTC drug combinations you should never take together. Painkillers plus cold medicine both may contain acetaminophen. Double dosing can damage your liver. Antihistamines plus cough syrup both cause drowsiness. You could accidentally overdose or fall asleep while driving. Aspirin plus ibuprofen both thin your blood, raising the risk of stomach bleeding. Even simple drugs can be dangerous when mixed. Always ask your pharmacist before combining medications. Stay informed. Stay safe. Brought to you by Online Pharmacy.